Anglong visit families of two suspected murdered girls. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. Team Karbi Anglong led by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Rite Singhi on Thursday visited families of Sobita Hansepi and Anisha Intipi, whose suspicious death has shaken the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. The KAC leaders offered their condolences and provided financial assistance to the two families to help them in the difficult times they are going through. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker was accompanied by local MSC Pabitra Rongpi, EM Pradip Rongpi, EM Kache Rongpipi and nominated MSC Sima Inghipi. Nili BLCC Chairman Winston Ronghang, Koilamati LEMS Secretary Mohan Singh Teron and several others. They visited Dor Singh Hansei and his family, Son Ingti and their family at their residence at Lokhiram Rongphar village in Upper Degrum, falling under the Nilip MSC constituency. The KAAC leaders interacted with the families of the suspected murdered girls and acquainted with the problems and issues faced by them and the village. The KAAC leaders handed condolence message, clothes and check of rupees 2,50,000 to each of the two families to help them overcome heartbreaking period.
Sorry, Karjulong pen masita nilitum sita melo kadu melo ningduk lo. Kasi halo so puta Karjulong pen sita melo CM ake hai alangli sita melo Director General of Police alangli pan sita melo kumpilo cela so puta mane prabjin pen insai vek nangji la pen komasi kupi maga choklema la tun retarlib nangji pisme kumpilo. Asan thak thak si joint parliamentary meeting along sita melo ada local MSC sita melo kadu gya thing ar sikrung pen sita melo asola ma puthak argi pinangji pu kadu gwe jingki chesai jingki chethan pen sita melo siam ke hai nili tumapan nani tum apor July pen hadak dam vek nangji pu sita melo alangli pelek-pelek asai duo joini selangli ban sekte delo sila sola ma puthak sita melo nonili tum pen dam sita melo nongwe si amat si ason sona lam sita melo nili tum ke thanam pansi nili tum that non het to meeting wailo iama ke hai tum pen nili tum chisi kon
atu mitong sera metu parliamentary meeting local MSC meeting lo paklang lo highest body lo netu parliamentary lo tena itu kadu itu kadang masalam nang paklang masih netu tong sekor nang tong humni dam naik di speaker leadership ne di dia so they going to and for going here lo kacero so MSC Sima Rohansi alam itu kisung ke poder ahead.
During the day, Upper Degrum Youth Development Committee also submitted a representation to the KAAC CEM highlighting several issues. The KAAC leaders who accepted the memorandum also assured the local youth body to hold a meeting with them on September 11. Later in the day, Dor Singh Ronghang and Son Ingti, the fathers of the two suspected murdered girls, also expressed their gratitude towards Team Karbi Anglong for paying visit and offering their condolence and solidarity. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Happy with the signing of the historic Karbi Peace Accord last week, the Sarupathar BJP Mandal Committee held on Thursday felicitated leaders of the KPLT, KLNLF, UPLA and PDCK in an event held at Balipathar Playground. Here is a short report from our correspondent. The felicitation program was conducted by the Mandal Committee in order to welcome the armed groups leaders for their decision to come to the mainstream. The felicitation program was chaired by Mandal BJP President Lokhiram Rongpi and assisted by Honaram Singnar. Among other leaders who attended the event were Bokajan Mandal President Dulna Chetri, Borjan Mandal President Sunaram Singnar, KAAC Social Welfare Board Chairman Kadom Terangpi and others. To accept the welcome and greetings from the BJP workers, UPLA Home Secretary Binut Togbi, Foreign Secretary Bali Rongpar, Waisong Rongpar and Elias Rongpar were present in the program. On the other hand, KAAC EM Jagat Singh Ingti and KAAC Speaker Longki Timung attended as guests. During the day, all speakers emphasized on the point that the Karbi peace has no negative impact on the Karbis. It only guarantees more development for them. They also say that several groups and individuals are protesting against the accord because they are lacking thorough understanding of the clauses included in it. Leaders here say that they will soon come before public and discuss in details about the clauses of the accord.
Peace accord really pupune, mate victory really pupune, mate welcome really pupune. Bangamen mu irpo la so really ki biji phansi la tum kachingwai. Tame la so logot alang tum uthot la song trok. Kijabang putum phan non hejong Delhi Saritarik peace accord kachitok bang putum phan lasu amelong archu ponji wajah si alang tum chipathik lo lasi alang tum son nangi hang ting pensil ni tum dakshi tong dun lo bikhe koi ke latum ke amit hang la mondol ki thom tum non lasu really aputha ko sonsi ke pachun pa mejim ma la pen lasu really ajok kaduk kawe la homusi ki thom arat atum la non peace accord along la agreement alulong adophatin a clause tin ko PPC ki tok ma la kaduk we rata tumaphan la non kapre ga APHLC punon 24 plus organization tumon tumbangke kapre mane rat angnu mispropaganda misguide kapuripon ne tum thekdam no la se alang tumpen stame la hai kaduk we than ki paklari phansi la bangsu really bang bipon neli tumke alang tum nanga chup hapen nang karchu pen ne tum ningarong lo mondol ke thoma ajabang tum hanstame alang tum ne tum phan laan man ngi pi laan ng ching hon po la pen mo iprang giwang dia long anstame alang tum pen juga juk pen mom chi la hai ka du ka be akoda puthak ta ne tum implement ji panta ne tum matha pon ching wai pon lal alamang
Subhas Terang from Langchathing, Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Putaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.
The United Students Union of Karbi Anglong Volonkomaji unit had on Thursday submitted a representation to the Langsomepi Development Block video in which the group stated that only 9 PMAYG houses were completed so far in the area. The organization submitted their memorandum to the BDO at around 11:30 a.m. In its representation, the organization stated that upon receiving reports through social media of incomplete PMAYG houses, they made visit to villages to verify the serious claims. The US-UKA Volonkomaji unit stated that no developmental works and projects were implemented under the Langsomepi development block. US-UKA leader Krishna Timung urged upon the BDO for early completion of PMAYG houses and further appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for their immediate intervention on the matter. The organization in their memorandum stated that only 9 houses were completed and that many more houses are yet to be constructed. The organization has also warned of strong agitation if their demands for early completion of allotted PMAYG houses are not constructed and completed on time.
Langsomepi block under Chirilang Solong PMAY Hamsu Kiki Malam Nitumpini video fan memorandum pilo la pen jong pon lo je ada project ting pen kikim ke jok nitum pupon lo jong si prap jin pen ladak so immediately pen action and a politin nitum so dak pen kachi song papa do pani usuka hin pen la si nitum tuning rilo council of fanta je la so put hak lang chari dun pen action immediate action any pusi nitum tuning rilo yang jong si and a politin nitum dak dharna ke dui fanta nitum dak inginang kok.
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkihat for Karbi Anglong Live. On Wednesday evening, a scooty was stolen from Deephu Rongmanjir Basic Training Center under Deephu Police Station. Following this, the owner has sought help from public for recovery of his stolen scooty. The stolen TVS Ntorq scooty with the registration number AS09H3051 belonged to Karbi Anglong, son of Pratap Anglong of Rongmanjir, Deephu. On Wednesday evening, Karbi went to visit his in-laws at Rongmanjir at around 6 p.m. He parked the scooty on the road, and when he was to return after about an hour, his vehicle was gone. He had taken loan from the showroom and he had not ridden for even 1 year. This incident had raised anxiety among two-wheelers owners who usually leave their vehicle parked on the road for hours. There is no safety, as there had been several cases of such bike lifting in the past as well. Following this, the owner had urged upon the public to help him in finding his stolen vehicle. Anyone having any information about his stolen scooty may contact in the numbers shown in the screen. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.